Good morning. Today we will be doing another Shoka Shimputai using the Alocasia leaf, Heliconia, and Pussywillow. The Alocasia leaf, being so large and impressive, is the most dominant material in this arrangement, so this will be the shoe. I bought this plant from Trader Joe's. The entire plant, I think, costs $17. And it was a bargain because there were many large leaves that I can keep using for my other arrangements. The next material, we're using 3 materials in the Shoka Shimputai, is a flower called the Heliconia. And I also got this from Trader Joe's. Because it's so large and we want this to be a subtle arrangement, we are directing the Heliconia towards the back. And because it's so heavy, I'm supporting that branch. Well, actually, I'm supporting the flower with this tiny little stem just to keep the Heliconia in place so it doesn't fall over. The third material that we will be using is the Pussywillow. In Shoka Shimputai, only 3 materials are used. There are no measurements for this arrangement. You could have a large item on the top, on the bottom, on the side. It's a little unusual to have this huge leaf like this, but because it's so big, we're using it sideways. In Shoka Shimputai, there is a mizugiwa, just the same as there is a mizugiwa in a Shoka Shofutai and in a Rika arrangement. A mizugiwa is the area from the edge of the vase to where the first leaf or flower or whatever emerges from the stem. And generally, that space from the edge of the vase to the first leaf or flower or whatever is approximately 3 fingers that are held together from the edge of the vase up to the leaf. And it has to look like a tight stem. There can be no space or gaps between the different stems. We are also making sure that we're adding the Pussywillow to give this some depth. Most of the Ikenobo arrangements have a triangular shape, and there must be depth. And as you can see, the materials are so bold that the short little stems of the Pussywillow, they're in the ashirai position, kind of ties the whole thing together. So the shoe is the Alocasia, the yo, the Heliconia, and the Pussywillow is the ashirai. We're going to turn this around to the front, and we'll check and make sure everything is in line, because it's really difficult to tell when you're working from the back. So this is a Shoka Shimputai. Thank you for watching.